Hey everyone! Getting your hard-earned money from Shopify to your bank account is a streamlined process. Whether you are setting up for the first time or updating your details, Shopify uses high-security protocols to ensure your payouts land exactly where they should. Step 1. Navigate to Payments. We're starting in the Settings menu. We do this to access the gateway where you control how money enters your business. Click Settings in the bottom left corner of your Shopify admin. Select Payments from the left-hand sidebar. This page lists all active and available payment options for your checkout. Step 2. Locate Manual Methods. Now we are moving to the bottom of the page. We do this because Shopify prioritizes digital gateways, like credit cards, so manual options are kept in their own specific section. Scroll past Shopify Payments and supported providers until you reach the section titled Manual Payment Methods. Click the Add Manual Payment Method drop-down and select Bank Deposit. When you select Bank Deposit, you are presented with two distinct text boxes. Understanding the difference between them is key to a smooth customer experience. First, additional details. This text appears at checkout right next to the payment option. Use this to set expectations and build trust. What to write, for example, your order will be marked as payment pending until we confirm receipt of your transfer. Please note that shipping will occur only after funds have cleared, usually 1 to 3 business days. It prevents customers from wondering why their order hasn't shipped immediately after they hit Complete Order. Second, payment instructions. This information is shown on the order confirmation page and sent in the order confirmation email. Essential details to include bank name, business account name, account number, and routing number. Tell the customer to include their order number, like number 1001, in the bank transfer memo so you can match the payment to the correct order. And lastly, click Activate Bank Deposit. I hope this helped you out, and I see you in the next one.